So my orange is completely dry. You have to let watercolors dry. Watercolor just takes time because you just have to give it a minute as things are drying. If you do not, things will start to bleed together. So the glazing technique I said was when you overlap a color onto another color, and it shows a little bit of the color beneath. This was a wet on dry technique because I'm going wet paint on dry paper. So it is going to show more brush strokes. And I'm going to do just what I did with the orange, but now I'm going to do it with the blue. I'm going to just sort of drag my brush side to side, making the little ripples in the water. You could do smaller ones over here where the light is sort of hitting the water. But you can see as you do the glazing technique that I can see the blue and orange sort of peeking through each other. That is the signature of the glazing technique, being able to see both layers of color. I'm going to do a little bit more. I want to go a little bit darker with my blue, just grabbing a little bit of blue and a little bit of navy blue so that it gets a little bit darker, and just brushing on a few darker tones in the water here and there. So I'm just skimming my brush a little bit so that I can get something that feels like the little bit of waves in the water. Okay, that is the glazing technique. It's a wet on dry technique as well. So I want you to work on your water and make it feel sort of ripply using that glazing technique today.